Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's Nala. You might know me as Segura's Craft, and I am part of the creative crew for Cat Scrappiness. Today, we're diving into the Jeepers Peepers background. And let me tell you, it is an absolute must for my Halloween crafting. This die is filled with these fantastic spooky eyes, perfect for adding a touch of mystery and fun to any card or project that you may have. What I really love about this die is the intricate design of the eyes. They have so much personality. Some looks playful, others are a bit sinister, but they all add that perfect spooky touch to your background. And because it's an A2 size, it covers your card base beautifully, making it a super easy and quick way to create Halloween themed cards. And it gives your card that something is watching you vibe. Next, Haunted House on the Hill background die. This one is going to blow you away. Just look at this haunted house silhouette, and it's so perfectly spooky with the crooked windows, bats flying around, the moon, full moon at that, and even some cheeky pumpkins sitting in the hill. This die has so much personality. I like how it gives you an instant scene for your Halloween projects. It's so easy to lay on top of a color cardstock, but trust me, you're going to want to add some glow-in-the-dark elements to really bring it to life. It's got that perfect balance of eerie and fun, especially those cute pumpkins sneaking in at the bottom. And let's not forget, those bats flying around the house really gives it that extra spooky touch. This die can easily be the star of your Halloween project or serve as the perfect backdrop for adding other spooky elements. Alrighty, crafty friends, this one, mummy wrapping background die. Just look at those mummy wrapping, crisscrossing all over. It creates such a cool, eerie texture that's perfect for adding a spooky vibe to your Halloween design. And speaking of texture, it also has these piercings in each wrap, giving it a nice, unique look. And let's be real, mummies never are nice to look at. And of course, we can't forget those eyes peeking through. They add just the right amount of creepy. Whether you're going for something simple or planning to add a lot of embellishments, this die gives you a solid foundation to build your Halloween project. I mean, how fun is it to wrap your card up in a spooky mummy theme, right? Now we're shaking things up with a Shake Your Candy Corn Shaker die. This die is all about fun, and if you love interactive cards, which you guys I'm fond of, I love my interactive cards recently, you are going to be obsessed with this one. Let's talk about the design. It's a candy corn, and we all know candy corn is the iconic Halloween treat. I never really knew why, but I digress. But what makes this die even more special is that it's a shaker. You can fill it with sequences, glitter, even tiny candy shapes, embellishments, or candy itself. Though it is a shaker die, it does not limit you to using it only as a shaker die. You can use pieces of it. You can not make it a shaker and just use it as a layer. This piece fits together perfectly, making it easy to create that shaker window, and it gives your project such a sweet and playful vibe. Next, Ghostly Trick or Treat Shadow Die. You're gonna love how versatile it is. First off, let's talk about the cute little ghost. I mean, look at him. He's got this playful expression, and he's peeking right next to the bold trick or treat sentiment that, by the way, is dripping with spooky vibes. Whether you're creating cards, treats, any type of DIY, this die got you covered. You can also get creative with coloring the ghost and adding little details like some sparkle on the word trick for the extra Halloween flair. The die is super easy to work with, and did I mention it was a shadow die? Let's get right into the Halloween spirit with the Let's Get Spooky Shadow Sentiment die. This die is perfect for those eerie, spine-chilling Halloween vibes. And just look at the dripping, creepy font. The word "Let's Get Spooky" alone are enough to send shivers down your spine. And paired with the shadow layer, it really makes your project pop. The shadow layer makes it easy to add dimension and contrast, really giving your sentiment that wow factor. And best part, it's super easy to work with. Clean cuts every time. I think you'll have a blast incorporating the sentiment into your Halloween crafts. With that eerie, drippy font spelling out trick or treat and the shadow layer taking it to a whole new level, it gives all the right vibes. The shadow layer gives you the chance to play with depth, which makes designs stand out even more. You can layer some spooky pattern paper, use different materials, mediums, die cut techniques, whatever techniques you enjoy. This die brings that Halloween magic to life. How would you use this spooky sentiment in your Halloween crafting? All right, now we're gonna get to the stamps. This is the Holiday Lantern stamp. This lantern is such a beautiful, timeless piece, and it's perfect for adding a cozy, festive touch to all your holiday cards, not just Halloween. Let's take a look at the details in this stamp. You can easily customize it with any color techniques, whether it's watercolor, alcohol markers, or even embossing. It works beautifully in creating traditional holiday scenes, or even a winter wonderland. And if you really want to try interactive wise, add lights. This stamp is perfect for layering over backgrounds like a snow night, cozy Christmas fireplace. You know, you can really get creative with this color palette. It has the versatility of a cozy look that works year-round for creating warm, cozy feelings. It does not get better than that, guys. I can already picture it with the Halloween lantern add-on to create a spooky twist. Oh, so remembered when I dropped that little tidbit about a Halloween lantern? Well, here it is. The Halloween lantern add-on stamp. If you're like me and you love making mixed media projects, then this set is going to be right up your alley. Let's take a look at what's inside. First off, we've got some amazing Halloween sentiments like trick or treat, hocus pocus, or even official candy inspector, which is always me when my kids go trick or treating. I'm also the taster. And how cute are these little candles? The perfect match for the Halloween lantern stamp, or even on their own to create a haunted glow. But that's not all. There are tons of spooky elements like creepy skull, spider web, and even a little spider to decorate your project. This set is ideal for mixing, matching, so you can create your Halloween scenes with ease. Whether you're going for cute or eerie, these stamps have got you covered. Last but not least, one of my favorites, the Simple Sentiment Halloween stamps. And this stamp is my favorite for multiple reasons, guys. For one, look at all these this set is packed with spooky, fun, and playful Halloween phrases. But the even better part is, if you own any other CAD Scrappiness Simple Sentiment stamps and purchase the coordinating die will work with that coordinating die. So it's just another stamp in your stash that you already have the die for. And once you buy a die, if you don't have one, that's all you need. Let's take a closer look. We've got everything from Creep It Real to Hey Boo, and even the classic Happy Halloween. Let's not forget, once you die cut these, you have tons of sentiments ready to go. If you don't have the die, that's okay. Just use a trimmer or scissors to cut strips. There's enough room for you to make mistakes. How will you add these ghostly greetings to your next project? Look at the embellishments you can utilize with all those other products if you created it into a shaker. We have Vamp It Up Sprinkle Mix. Next, we have the Tangerine Dream Solid Round Confetti Sequence. And I love cat sequences. But this definitely is that Halloween orange that may be missing in our projects. Next, we have the Onyx Black Solid Round Confetti Sequences. And these, I love how it looks really matted, sort of like most sequences. You have that shine and it has that matte kind of a look, and I think it is perfect or scary project. Then we have the Purple Snurple Solid Round Confetti Sequence. This name is so cute. The Purple Snurple is that violet. It's like I don't really know. I call it Halloween purple. That's because it's really hard to explain, but I call it Halloween purple. Halloween solid round confetti sequence mix, which is all of that mixed with green. And I mean, together you can see it looks like Halloween. It's like, it looks, I mean, it's not even on a card. It's inside of a bag and it looks like Halloween. So I will be having fun with these. So stay tuned. Next is the Hocus Pocus Sprinkle Mix. These mix has the same clay material. So these are all the sequences for this release. But I highly recommend you go and check out the CAD Scrappiness store Embellishments. I promise you'll have some more ideas and inspiration. Hey, really quick. If you enjoy my content and appreciate the work of my fellow CAD Scrappiness crew members, please be sure and informative. Please share your feedback in the comments section below and let us know how we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching.